Social Security is an important part of most financial plans, and in this quick video I want to show you how to get your Social Security benefit statement. So your Social Security statement is where you will see how much you can expect to receive from Social Security. So I want to just post this. I had a couple of conversations with folks recently about how many times we get scammed. So one of the things in this post I wanted just to highlight is when you sign up for your Social Security benefit online, you're working with IRS.gov, and so that's one way to know. I've got a link in this post to, I think it should take us to, so yeah, this is the site you will go to create your account. I've already created my account, so I'm going to see if I can log in and just show you around. Hopefully you don't steal my information. Hopefully it's not available to steal. So when you log in, even after you set up your account, you're going to get this number, and this is it's texted to me, so I'm going to put it in. If I can do this, give me just a second. I think I got that right. And then you're going to see these terms of service, which I put into the post as well for you to read. Then when you log in, it's going to take you to a pretty cool interface, I think, where you can download your statement. You see a chart here, which is kind of cool, so I can see if I wait until I'm 70 what my benefit will be. My full benefit would start at age 67. So here I have 67. I'm 60 years old, so if I wait 7 years, that's how much I'll get. You can see that's not going to make me rich, but that's not, that's a pretty good benefit. I'm thankful for that. So anyway, this is what you will see. Yours will be different than mine. This does confirm that I have 40 work credits, which is what I need to receive benefits. I'm not really getting into how to review the benefits or how to manage your Social Security benefits in this video. I just wanted you to see a quick overview of how you can get your online Social Security statement, and so hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, give me a call, shoot me a text message, send me an email, I'll get right back to you. So that's it for this video. Thanks, I'll see you in the next one.